Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for November 2023. Napakabilis ng panahon, patapos na naman yung taon. This is a general reading, just take what resonates, watch your sun, moon, rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. And please check out my Shopee shop. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So let's see, Aquarius. What is up? Anong parating sa inyo ngayong November? November 2023 for Aquarius. Aquarius. Okay, Aquarius, I see you starting a new project, no? Pwede rin tong business, isang munting pagkakakitaan, ganon. Or, yung iba naman sa inyo is starting a new career, may bagong trabaho, And you are also, yung iba, no, pagdating ng November, mas magiging conscious kayo sa inyong finances. Yung talagang magsisimula na kayong magseryoso sa pag-iimpok ng kaperahan. Some of you naman, meron kayong skill na pag-aaralan para mas lalo nyong ma-improve ang inyong life. You have the Eight of Swords as your challenge, no? Some of you, madali kayong parang medyo sensitive, no, sa mga sinasabi ng iba sa inyo. Maaring sa una parang hindi niyo pinapansin, pero sa totoo lang talagang naapektuhan kayo sa opinion ng iba. Okay? So wag niyo silang pansinin. Okay? At mag-focus ka lang sa goal mo. Kasi syempre, itong mga to, they will always have something to say about you. But, you have, kumbaga, ikaw yung may control kung maniniwala ka sa kanila o hindi. Okay? So, pagdating naman sa yung opportunities, you have the Six of Cups. Opportunity to remind yourself of your creativity. Kasi yung iba sa inyo very creative Meron kayong pwedeng babalikan na interest ninyo ng bata kayo. Tapos, pwedeng i-explore nyo yan. Yung creativity na yan. Some of you naman, this is nostalgia kasi. So, merong opportunity for you to remember your past or to face harapin yung nakaraan na pwedeng tinatalikuran mo. Or tipong hindi mo inayos or hindi ka nag-deal with your past, pwedeng isa sa mga iniwasan mo. And ngayong November, you have the opportunity to fix it, no? Kumbaga, ayusin mo or i-close yung chapter na yan. Pwedeng romantic relationship yan. Okay? Pwede rin namang trabaho, career na hindi mo nabigyan ng closure. Pwedeng sa trabaho, nag-AWOL ka. Hindi ka na nag-submit ng resignation. So, sa November, meron kang opportunity na plantsahin yan, ayusin yan. Kasi sayang, di ba? Halimbawa, you really need to, mag-sign ng resignation, mag-submit ng resignation para maayos mo yung iyong clearance, para makuha mo yung back pay mo, yung mga ganon. So, for your blessing, you are going to be very protected. Regardless, no, kahit na may mga opinion ang mga tao sa'yo, you are protected. Marami kang guides around you. What is the Page of Pentacles? Page of Cups. Yes. You're going to use your creativity ngayong November. Pwedeng related sa arts, no? Mga artsy stuff. Maaring painting, Oh, may nagpipaint dito eh. But anything that you can use your imagination and your skills. What is the Eight of Swords? The Tower. Oh my God. I feel like, you are finally coming out of the limitation na binibigay mo sa sarili mo. Ayan o. Eight of Swords, ayan yung tipong nag-overthink ka sa mga iniisip ng ibang tao sa'yo. Nagpapa-apekto ka sa kanila. But with the Tower here, this is like, I don't care. Aalis ako dito sa ganyang sitwasyon. Ayoko na. Ganon. So, that might be a struggle for you. But, since this is your challenge, parang sina-challenge ka, kaya mo bang gawin yun, di ba? What is the Six of Cups? Three of Pentacles. So, iba sa inyo, meron kayong, i-work out na this can be a project or trabaho, career, business na hindi mo na asikaso nung nakaraan. So, ngayon, bibigyan mo na siya ng attention. Iba naman, pwedeng makikipag-ayos sa ex. Pero 'di ba, kung alam niyo na itong ex na to hindi naman talaga nakapagbigay sa iyo hindi nag-add ng value sa buhay mo, bakit mo pa babalikan, 'di ba? But for some of you, itong babalikan niyo na to ay mga naisantabi niyo na trabaho, opportunities, ways to earn money. What is the Seven of Wands? The Queen of Wands. Yes, you're going to rise up. Okay, Queen of Wands energy is someone is very confident sa kanyang sarili, sa kanyang galing. That is your blessing. I also see some recognition sa'yo. But yung recognition na yan, maraming tataas ang kilay sa recognition na yan sa'yo eh. Kasi parang they will try to question your recognition. Okay, lagi namang may ganyan. So, for your money, you have the Two of Wands. Dalawang some of you, meron kayong dalawang pagkakakitaan ngayong November. Six of Pentacles. This is, yung iba, may kinalaman sa charity, yung project ninyo, to help other people. Some of you naman merong tutulong sa inyo sa finances ninyo. Pwedeng mag-aabot ng kanilang ambag sa mga projects na gagawin mo, negosyo na gagawin mo. And then for your career, you have the Five of Wands. So marami kang kakompetensya sa career mo, sa trabaho mo. You have the Seven of Wands as well. Alam niyo, Aquarius, you have to protect your energies ngayong November. Because there are people who will try to attack you. So, pwedeng, spiritual attack or parang, ito yung mga, i-challenge ka sa galing mo, ganon. Or yung mga kakompetensya mo, yung competitors mo, mga sa business, or yung sa trabaho na gusto ring umangat, no? So, syempre, pwedeng meron silang mga bad tactics na gagawin. So, be prepared to that. And then, your love is the Strength card. So, I think, when it comes to your relationship, kung meron kang relationship ngayon, you will try to make things work for your person. You have the Emperor here. So, you may be dealing with an Aries. I think, importante sa'yo na merong pinatutunguhan yung relationship ninyo. Kasi kung yung iba, kung sa tingin nyo walang pinatutunguhan yung relationship, pwedeng i-reconsider nyo yung relationship kung, ipagpapatuloy nyo pa. Oo. But for some of you, kung kayo naman ay single, I think, hindi nyo kailangan sa ngayon ng karelasyon. Kasi marami kayong mga plano para sa sarili ninyo, para sa family ninyo, sa career ninyo. Grace, may blessing na parating. And I think itong blessing na to is darating to dahil you are working with others. It's like a collaboration with other people. Oo. Kung ano man to na you will be working on. Oo, kasi with the Three of Pentacles here, as your opportunity, this is going to be blessed. So, kung meron kang project, trabaho, business, career, na meron kang makakatrabaho rito, makaka-collaborate, this is going to be successful. May new beginnings, Aquarius. Meron kang papasukin na ah, bagong buhay or bagong landas. Pwedeng bagong relationship for some of you. But I think, related sa career, sa trabaho, or sa creative project ninyo. Meron kayong i-let go. Oo. So, I think ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na ex na pwedeng bumalik. Na finally, no, i-realize mo na, okay, kailangan ko na talagang i-let go tong ex na to. Oo, hindi ka na mag-hold on. You are being gifted with blessings of happiness and peace. Ayan. Peace of mind, happiness. And then, step forward now and sing your song. There is power in finding your voice. Stepping forward. So, I think itong new beginnings na to is papasok ka sa isang path, landas na matagal mo ng plano or pinag-iisipan pero nag-hold back ka pa. But ngayong November, full force. Oo, gagawin mo na talaga. Your final message, slay them all. Ayan, wow. This makes sense. Kasi nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, there are people who will try to attack you na parang i-attack ka na si ganito, si Aquarius, ganyan, hindi naman siya ganun kagaling, whatever. They will try to question you, pero you're going to prove them your worth. You're going to prove them na mali sila sa iniisip nila. Oo. And kung sino man mga to na will try to bring you down, hindi sila magtatagumpay. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.